Hey, what's up guys? Joker here, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be bringing you a bit of a PSA on how you can avoid being scammed from a common scam that is going around right now. It's honestly not that much of a new thing. It's been done different ways in the past, and for a lot of the tech-savvy community, a lot of this is going to seem pretty obvious, but it is also something you should maybe pass along information to other loved ones that maybe aren't as tech-savvy, maybe a little bit older people in your family, parents, grandparents that, maybe still use laptops and emails just in order to pay bills and just do normal stuff, but aren't maybe the most tech-savvy of people. It's something that people should be aware of, because I recently, in all of my inboxes, I have a few different email accounts, I have been completely inundated. At least once per day, if not sometimes even 2 or 3 times per day, I'll get a different email from a different address, but for the same scam, more or less, and it will even be for different phone numbers. And I've called back a few of these times just to sort of mess with these people, because the way I see it, every minute these assholes, these scammers, spend on the phone with me, they're not scamming someone else. And I just recently did a call just now to try to get them through the whole process to sort of see what they do. And basically, they try to get you to install a program like TeamViewer, and I'll play you the full call here in just a couple of minutes so you can kind of hear what happens if you do call one of these numbers, which I don't advise doing unless you know what you're doing. Make sure you block your number, or even better yet, spoof your number using like a program or an app or something like that, or something on your computer. And, you can mess with these people, and who cares? Honestly, at the end of the day, they're scammers. They deserve to be scammed back and, messed with, because, like I said, every minute they're on the phone with you, they're not calling someone else and trying to rip them off of their money and gain access to their computer with their own version of a type of TeamViewer that they use to basically hijack your computer. So we're going to go through the details of this and what to look out for in just a moment. But first, today's video is brought to you by PrimeTechMart.com, where you can save money on software like Windows 10 Pro licenses for under $25. They've also got Windows 10 Home for under $20, and now Windows 11 Pro you can grab over on PrimeTechMart.com. They've also got Office 2019 and the new Office 2021. And if you want to save an additional 20% at checkout on Windows 10 or any other software, go ahead and click Buy It Now, and during the checkout process, go ahead and put JP20 in and apply that coupon, and that'll give you 20% off of any software that you happen to pick up over there. So for Windows 10 Pro, you can see it dropped our price down from $24.46 to under $20. So be sure to hit up the links down in the description below, and don't forget to use my coupon code JP20 at checkout for an additional 20% off. So the emails that they send out are all generally the same thing, and it could be for different programs, but lately it's mostly been Norton Antivirus, which I've never used in my life. I have no intention of ever using it. I get by with just Windows Defender and good old common sense pretty damn fine, and I've had very few issues with any sort of viruses or malware in the last 10 years or so, just using those general practices. But like I said at the start, for everyone it's not as easy. So this is one of the emails that they actually sent to my business email for running the channel, and you can see that it says your yearly membership for Norton has been successfully updated and renewed for the amount of $224 US. There's an order number and an invoice date and a phone number where you can call back and get in touch with their support team, which for some reason can't cancel it over the phone, and you have to download a program. That's generally how these guys operate, as you'll see in a moment. They want you to basically download a program and then run it on your computer so they can hijack your computer and, steal your banking info, steal money from you, all sorts of, shenanigans like that. So this is just something you guys should be on the lookout for. And again, pass this information along to family members and stuff that maybe aren't as tech savvy, so they don't get one of these emails and think, they've actually been billed $224, because that's essentially how these things operate, is they make you think you've been billed for a fairly substantial amount of money, maybe especially someone that lives on a fixed income or something like that, like an older person collecting Social Security pension. $224 can be a pretty big hit to their monthly income. So obviously they would want to get that money back, but obviously there has been no charge. There's no charge. If you go look at your credit card statement or your PayPal or whatever bank you use, you're not going to see any charges for this $224. It's just in the email. That's the whole scam, is that they want you to call back, and then they try to tell you that they're going to help you to cancel this so you can get your refund, but you basically have to download their software to do it. So I'm now going to play you a call in full with one of these tech support people that I called just a few minutes ago, and sorry for the sunshine coming across my face. You guys can get an idea of, how these guys operate and what they try to do. And again, don't try this at home. Definitely don't download any of the programs that they try to get you to download or anything like that unless you're, very, very skilled in using something like a VM virtual machine, which, a lot of people do. Some ordinary gamers, he does stuff like this. And I believe there's another guy, Jim Brown, I think it's the YouTube channel. And he actually goes a whole step further. Like, this guy gets details on them, like figures out where they live, gets access to the security cameras in their call centers over in India or whatever they're operating out of. So that guy's on like a whole other level. I'm not really at that point, but I do enjoy messing with these people a little bit. Me and my fiance had a good laugh at their expense last night and just distracting them for a little while so they're not scamming anyone else. So here's a listen of the call with the proposed scammer, Gary P., as it says in the email, which I doubt is his real name. So here you go. Enjoy.
How can I help you?
Hi, I was calling because I got an email last night about Norton Antivirus being renewed on my credit card, but I don't have Norton Antivirus. So I was wondering why.
Antivirus?
I have an antivirus, but not Norton. I just use Windows Defender.
All right.
But I got the email and says it was billed for $224 for 1 year for Norton Family.
Uh-huh.
So how can I get the debit taken off or canceled, because I don't use Norton Antivirus, so I don't know why I was billed.
All right. Can you give me your invoice number so I can look into it?
The order number?
Yeah, order number.
Yeah, it says PWS 0215 2022 JT.
All right, let me check. All right. So actually, I can see into my system like you have been applied for Norton last week, and we provide you free trial. Once your free trial has completed, that's the reason it has been auto-renew for 1 year subscription.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
that's the reason you have been. That's the reason you have been billed for that.
I don't recall doing a trial because I just use the Windows Defender because it's free.
Okay, so you don't want the services?
No.
All right, no problem, sir. I will help you out to cancel it, and you're going to get a refund then. Okay, can you please let me know, do you want to cancel this subscription permanently, or is it temporary?
Permanently.
You want Norton secured? Sorry?
I want to cancel it permanently.
All right, okay. So do one thing, is get in front of the computer so I can...
Yeah, I'm on my computer now. I'm on my computer now. I have a desktop computer.
All right, you have a desktop computer. So no problem, sir. I'm going to start the procedure. So are you in front of your... okay. Do you have any Google do you have any browser?
Yeah, I use Google Chrome.
Make it open that Google Chrome.
Yeah, I'm on the Chrome now in my email.
All right. So I want to open a new tab. Leave to your email as it is. Open a new tab.
That's the plus sign on top?
Yeah, and it's not fine. Correct.
Okay, I got a new tab.
All right. Now in the new tab, in the search bar, type over there www.
Yeah.
anydesk.com.
What? Can you spell it again?
A as in America, N as in Nancy, Y as in yellow.
Uh-huh.
D as in dog, E as in Edward, S as in Sam, K as in kilogram. Anydesk.com.
Oh, anydesk.com. Okay, no problem.
I hit enter.
Yeah, I'm on the page now.
Now what says?
Anydesk.com.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Hit enter.
Yeah.
Now, what's come up in the screen?
Well, it says access now, start free trial, or download now.
Yes, exactly. Just below the access now, there is a red box, download now. Click on it.
Yeah. On download?
Yeah, on download now.
But why do I have to download it to cancel?
Because sir, we haven't canceled yet.
Well, yes, but
So
I gave you
if you
the
want- yeah,
order number, so
but-
can you just cancel it and refund me? Why do I have to download this?
No. We can't do it from my end. You have to do it from your end. That's the reason I'm guiding you over the phone how you can cancel it.
So you're telling me I'm going to log in and cancel my own thing for Norton from a program that you want me to download?
No, this is not if you download now, you will get a cancellation ID with the help of that. We are going to cancel it, and after that, you're going to get a refund form from us.
Well,
You
I
have
use
to
this.
fill out, so
I use
we
this.
can reverse your money.
I use this computer a lot for work, so I don't want to download any programs.
So do you have any personal computer?
This is my only computer. I use this for work.
So that doesn't matter, sir. It's just like a PDF.
It's not a PDF. It's a program it wants to install.
Sir, you have to only run Unity to install it.
I don't.
Then you can
I've never
delete it.
had
Once
to.
you
I've never had
delete
to install a program to cancel a subscription. It doesn't really make any sense.
So what do you want?
I want you to cancel
If
the
you're not going to
subscription and
download it-
refund my money.
If you're not, that's not possible for me. There is a straight way. If you are going to do the process, so we can cancel it. Otherwise, we can't.
Well,
I never did
how do I know this isn't a scam?
Sorry?
How do I know this is not a scam?
Everything is in front of your own eyes. Okay, you got an email from us, and
Yeah, but I
after you
could.
called me.
I might be able to download this program, and then you can gain access to my computer.
How it's possible?
Well, if you've ever used a computer in your life, you'll know that there's programs that allow you to do that very easily.
No, it's not like a team viewer. Team viewer was like
No,
this,
so
but
you
not
do
a
know.
team.
So you do know about programs that let you take over people's computers, like TeamViewer. So TeamViewer is a thing, and how do I know this is not that?
It's a basic thing. Okay, do you want to do it? You can do it. Otherwise, no problem. Sure.
No, I want you to refund it and cancel it.
Forget it.
Don't download that shit. So as you heard there, obviously, being a person of sound mind and body, obviously I wasn't going to download and install any programs that they gave me to download. But, it's safe enough, to basically go through an incognito browser and just view the web page, which, looks legit, and everything. And, you go there and you would think that it's, a perfectly legitimate thing. And, for all, it might be a legitimate piece of software, actually. I haven't really looked into AnyDesk. But the bottom line is they essentially will then at some point they're going to gain access to your computer. And like I said, I don't know if AnyDesk is actually a legitimate piece of software. It could be, but they still at some point are going to screw you over and take control of your computer, and either put a virus on it or some type of malware, keylogger, or just gain access to your bank accounts and other stuff like that. So definitely stay away from these things and pass this information along to others that you might think could fall prey to something like this and be gullible enough to download one of these programs and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you next time for another video. Ta-ra.